How to change your Google Meet background. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change your Google Meet background. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your mobile device and then of course launch the Google Meet application. So once it has been launched, you'll be brought to the home page where you would see all of the meetings that you've attended so far, and by the bottom right corner you also see the new icon. Now you would see that on this page by the top left corner you can see three horizontal lines which stands for three options like privacy in Meet, settings, help and feedback. So the next step is to click on your settings option. Now at this stage I must let you know that for you to be able to change your Google Meet background, you would have to be making use of the free version or paid version of Google Meet. That is, you have to have a paid working email. So for me, I'm making use of the free version, and because of that, after clicking on the settings icon, you would see that you always see something like calling meetings, meeting settings blocks users. By clicking on calling settings, you'll be brought to the settings page, and here you will not see anything related to background. Now, by going back and clicking on meeting settings as well, you also not see anything related to background. This is because I'm making this of a free version. But for you, once you click on this page, you would see the change background icon. All right, just click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, a menu of background options would be displayed. You will see options like blur background, slightly blurred background, immersive background, static background, custom images, or even special effects. All of these are possible if you are using the free paid version. So just select the background you want, click on change, and then just like that, while you're trying to join a meeting, the background will be affected. So once you've selected the background, the next step would be for you to select a meeting that you'd like to join. By selecting this meeting, you can see once you click on join and you're taken to the meetings page, the background that you selected would be affected and you will see it here. So that is it. This is how you can change your background. So major way is for you to upgrade your account and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.